Hey guys, it's Keira, and now I'm going to Target for the third time in a row just to buy BTS's latest album, The Butter Albums. Both versions of the albums had been completely sold out in the last two Targets I've been to. But luckily, we found both versions of the albums in this Target. I bought the peach version while my sister bought the cream version, the yellow one.
Hey guys, Aiska here, and I'm gonna be unboxing one of BTS' latest album called Buttered Cream Version. I was totally surprised when I first found the album at Target. The album was surprisingly small, almost the size of my hand. I expected it to be much bigger than that. Anyways, I'm opening the album from the back because I do not want to spoil who I got in my photo card. Here we can see what first glance of the album. It was a yellow disc with the word Butter and BTS logo on it. Next is a smaller paper with words on it. I had no idea what it is, and so I was very excited to find out. It was the lyric for the song Permission to Dance. I had trouble choosing which to pick first, and I decided to go along with the Polaroid of BTS at the beach. Next is the same one as before. What a surprise! He happened to be one of my favorites, so squeal earlier explained a lot. Here's what the inside looks like. Every message includes photographs, notes, and even pictures of the members themselves. Sadly, it was all written in Korean, and I did not understand Korean at all.
Ooh.
I don't really understand how to set the picture stand up, so I will show you how and what it looks like later. Next up, we get a poster. I was very excited about this one too, since I don't know what it looks like. Oh, that's the end. Sorry for the headphone user. Anyways, because the poster was huge, we couldn't fit the whole thing inside of the screen. And the last thing that we got is the photo album. The cover was plain yellow with the word butter on it, and the BTS logo on the other side. This is what happens if you read too many manga. I was used to reading from right to left, and so reading books confuses me so much.
Mungkin dia dapat Jin. Okay.
I kept on wondering who I would get as my hopes kept on rising on getting Jin. The backside of the photo card was again plain yellow with the word butter on it. It was so small, not even the size of my hand. Now, the moment that I have been waiting for. I was so shocked. J-Hope is one of my favorites too.
it's Keira, and now I'm going to unbox the other Butter album, the Peach version. Honestly, I'm just so excited to unbox my very first BTS's albums. What makes me so excited is that not only we get a CD, but we also get merchandises such as stickers, poster, and photo card. Just like what Aiska did, I'm opening it from the back so I don't spoil the photo card for myself. Here is the CD. There are 2 songs, Butter and Permission to Dance, including the instrumental version for both. Then I got a really cute sticker that is different from before.
Done.
I was just so happy to get Suga's autograph. And hopefully I'll find a way to understand his message.
I can't believe you forgot.
I got this cute Polaroid of the members in the beach that is also the same from before. Next is the poster. Definitely hanging them in my room. Before we get to the photo book, let's see the photo card reveal. I was speechless and I couldn't believe I pulled V, my bias, on my first time doing this.